Happy Tuesday, everybody. I'm excited about today. We have a lot to cover, and this is our jump off point into the next segment of our class. We're going to take, even though we are still remote here as a whole group for this week and next, we're going to start moving and shifting into the hybrid setup for our class. I'll be here, of course, every day for you all, and we will check in online for the rest of this week and next week. But after that, there's a lot more independence in this class and in the school in general. And so I'm going to be kind of pushing you that independent route, which I think you'll enjoy probably more than this current route. So here's what I'm looking forward to. First, at the top of our Google Classroom each day, starting today, there is the big warm-up video. The big warm-up video is a compilation of nearly all the warm-ups that we've done so far this quarter. They're just back to back to back. You can use that warm-up video if you want to do your warm-up each day and use any of them that you like. You can use that warm-up as a general workout as well if you want to. But we'll also have the workout of the day posted for each day for the next 2 weeks. After that, we won't have a workout of the day posted as my plan right now. That might change, but right now that's the plan. Okay. Now, with that, you will have 2 real requirements each week. The first one is your health requirement. You will have a health video. Every student in this class will be required to watch the health video and fill out the questions with the health video. Those questions are going to be put in a question of the day format. It is going to be a quiz instead of every day a question. It'll be all 5 questions we'll put on one quiz, and you'll fill that out, and that's going to be part of your grade. Okay, that's very important that you do that health quiz and get it right each week. Secondly, you'll be doing a fitness log. The fitness log is your physical participation in class whenever you are remote. So for our fully remote kids, the physical fitness log will be done every single day. This is how I'm going to take attendance, and it's a participation grade. If you're a hybrid kid, you'll be doing the log, the activity log, 3 times a week in a full school week. You'll only do the physical activity log on the days that you do not report to class. When you report to class, that counts as your physical activity for the day, and you do not have to fill out a physical activity log sheet on that day. So we're going to be shifting a little bit, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Let me show you the physical activity log here real quick so you know what to expect and see. All right, so this is it's called a 20-minute exercise log. This activity log is something that I want you to be honest about. The end goal here is when we all come back to school, all remote kids come back, all hybrid kids, we come back 5 days a week, I'll be able to print off your log, the entire thing for you. And you can see what you did. This is really, really intended to be honest. It's your participation grade, but you have 45 participation grades in a quarter. That's a lot of participation grades. If you are honest and you say, you know what, today I just didn't get there, I just didn't do anything, I want you to be honest on this and say that, okay? That's going to be more valuable to you than that 1/45th of a participation grade, which is still just a fraction of your grade in general. All right, so let's just focus on being honest with this, but be sure you're accurate. Now, it is important you remember that this is your attendance grade every day. So if you don't exercise, be sure you fill out this form to tell me you didn't. Otherwise, you're absent and you didn't do it. Okay, so make sure you fill it out, whether you do or don't, each day. Okay, all right. Here we go. The exercise log is any day that you do not physically report to class, you fill it out. This is a recording of any exercise you like to do. So if it's a workout from class, that's great. You can go back to any workout we've ever done, pull it up, do it. That's part of your time. But make sure you're going for 20 minutes. So you may have to do any workout a couple times there. You may choose another video. You might have a workout series that you like to follow on YouTube or something like that. That's great. You can go for a run, bike ride, swim. It's not too cold. Include a sports practice. So if you're already involved in a team, that should count. So it may be built into your day where you go to soccer or baseball or softball or whatever practice you do. Then that counts. Put it down. Then you're going to fill out this form. So you put your last name, first name. That's going to be important for when we fill out the entire, when I print out the report for you. Then we have checking your attendance status. If you're remote only, please check that box. If you're hybrid, Monday, Tuesday, check that box. Thursday, Friday, check that box. Did you participate in at least 20 minutes of activity today? This is where I want you to be honest. Yes or no. All right, if you click no, you go down to the bottom of the form, just hit submit. If you click yes, write exactly what you did, short, concise. Don't tell me everything you did. I just want something that tells me, soccer practice or workout. I did a strength workout or something like that. Tell me how hard you worked. Was it really exhausting? Was it really easy, or was it somewhere in between? So if you went for a nice, easy walk with a brother, sister, friend, that's probably going to be a low thing. If you went for a really tough run or you did some intense cross-training workout or something like that, that's going to be exhausting. All right, and then what did your activity really focus on? Was it strength, was it cardio, or was it sport or other skill? Okay, so very simple form to fill out each day. Make sure that you can understand what you wrote in terms of what activity you did, but it does not need to be anything impressive for me. Just something that you know what you did. That's what this form is for. It's for you. Okay, so we'll do that, and you'll be all squared away and ready to go each day that you are not reporting to class. All right, so when you go onto our Google Classroom, this activity log will always be at the top. It's not going to be under a day. It will always be at the top, and you can always click on it. Every time you click on it, it's a new submission. So you just go there, click on it today, fill it out. Then you click on the same place tomorrow, fill it out. It's going to be a new form for you each time. So you don't have to look for a different looking form. It's always going to look the same. And you can just fill it out, hit submit, it timestamps it, and puts it in. So we have your record. Okay? All right. So that is your activity log assignment. And this is how we're going to pretty much go about class moving forward when you're not in class. Looking forward to seeing what you do, what you get involved in, and try some different things. Keep it fresh for yourself. Try different things. Give yourself different opportunities to explore exercise and staying in shape. Okay, our next thing we're going to look at is our workout of the day. So we're going to shift over to that with that video.